Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and this time we're going to talk about coastal forests, particularly on the eastern coast of America. These forests are unique ecosystems found along the world's coastlines, acting as a crucial bridge between terrestrial and marine environments, such as maritime forests, are home to a diverse range of plant and animal species, with an intricate web of interactions that support their fragile existence. So with that being said, in this video, we will explore the fascinating world of coastal forests. A few characteristics of these maritime forests: they thrive in the temperate climate, and there are nutrient-rich soils found near coastlines. These forests are often characterized by dense vegetation, including towering trees, shrubs, vines, and thick layers of leaf litter on the forest floor. In most of the southeastern states in America, you'll find plenty of Spanish moss covering the trees. Due to their proximity to the sea, coastal forests are exposed to unique challenges such as strong winds, salt spray, and periodic storm surges. Another unique characteristic is the wildlife. They harbor a plethora of species that have adapted to the specific conditions of this fragile ecosystem. These include mammals like raccoons, possums, deer, as well as reptiles like snakes, turtles, in some areas, particularly the wetlands, alligators. You'll also find avian species such as woodpeckers, migratory songbirds, wading birds, and birds of prey are also found in coastal forests. They provide vital nesting grounds and a habitat for a wide range of bird species. But maritime forests are particularly important for migratory birds that rely on these areas as stopover sites during their long-distance journeys. Additionally, coastal forests are home to various amphibians and insects that play a crucial role in the ecosystem's vitality. These forests also boast an impressive array of tree species, each adapted to unique coastal conditions. Along with towering evergreens such as pines and cedars, these forests are often characterized by the presence of palm trees. Coastal areas around the world are known for their palm trees, which have evolved numerous adaptations to survive in coastal environments, such as root systems that help tolerate soil salinity or high amounts of salt in the soil, and flexible trunks that can withstand strong coastal winds. One example is this tree that I found on the coast near Savannah, Georgia. Maritime coastal forests often intersect with wetland areas, including salt marshes. What's interesting is these wetlands act as a buffer zone between land and water, providing critical ecological services and supporting a diverse range of species. And if you can find an area with a boardwalk over salt marsh, you'll be able to find all sorts of wildlife instantly. Salt marshes in particular thrive in brackish water where salt water and fresh water mix. They are characterized by grasses and low-lying vegetation that can tolerate high levels of saltwater concentration in the seawater. Salt marshes serve as essential nurseries for various fish species and provide valuable foraging areas for wading birds, crabs, and other wildlife. They also act as a filter for sediment and pollutants, helping to maintain health and quality of both land and sea. The complex interplay between coastal forests and wetlands create a delicate balance and contributes to the overall resilience of a coastal ecosystem. Now, apart from the previous highlights, there are several other intriguing aspects to explore in a coastal forest. For instance, these forests play a crucial role in coastal erosion control by acting as a natural barrier against storm surges and strong winds. The dense vegetation of coastal forests help absorb and dissipate the energy from incoming waves, which protects the coastline from erosion and reducing the impacts of storms. Not only that, they serve as important reservoirs for biodiversity and conserve genetic resources necessary for the survival of numerous plant and animal species. Overall, coastal forests, including maritime forests, are indispensable and beautiful ecosystems. They make excellent areas to hike. Now, when most people are on the coast, they usually visit a beach. But what I also recommend is a quick hike in a coastal forest as well. And if you want to check out the amazing Pisgah National Forest located in North Carolina, see that video here. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.